Looking for hassle-free dumpster rental in Glen Burnie, Maryland? Look no further than Alljunk Containers LLC. Whether tackling a home renovation project, decluttering your space, or managing waste from a construction site, we have the perfect dumpster size. At Alljunk Containers LLC, we specialize in providing top-notch dumpster rental services tailored to your needs. With our commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to deliver prompt and professional service every time. We offer flexible rental terms, competitive pricing, and prompt delivery and pickup. Alljunk Containers LLC makes waste management easy and convenient for residents and businesses in Glen Burnie, Maryland. Our responsive, reliable team always goes the extra mile to accommodate your needs. Don't let waste slow down your project. With Alljunk Containers LLC, you can say goodbye to waste management worries and hello to hassle-free dumpster rentals. Contact us today at 410-424-0962 or visit our website at www.alljunkcontainers.com. Dumpster Rental Glen Burnie MD to discover how we can streamline your waste disposal process and keep your site clean and efficient. With Alljunk Containers LLC, let's make waste management easier together.